All right, this is homework number 4, simplifying fractions. I noticed you guys were having some trouble going from improper fraction to proper fraction form. So we're going to practice that as well as going from proper fractions to improper fractions. And then we're going to practice a little bit more on our FDP. So we have 18 over 4. Now, I taught you guys that the fraction bar can also double as now division. So what you're really doing here is 18 divided by 4 with whatever is your remainder as your new fraction over your denominator of still 4. So 4 goes in 18. How many times? We know it's 4 times with 2 left over. So we know we have 4 and 2/4. Now that's not simplest form, so you need to make sure to simplify that. We know that 2 is half of 4, or if we were just simplifying this, that we can make sure that, oh, looking at this, they can both be divided by 2, so the answer for number 1 would be 1.5. You're gonna work on this one on your own. Make sure you're following the same steps and make sure it's in simplest form. Now, generating the equivalent improper fraction form for the following proper fractions. Now, I really want you guys to practice this, so I'm going to give you a different example. We're going to look at 3 and 2/5. Now, in order to solve this, we do what I call the popcorn. See how it looks like a little bitty popcorn kernel? So we've got 3 multiplied by 5, then we're going to add 2. So 3 times 5, moving this way, is 15, plus 2 is 17. Now, that is our new numerator. Our denominator has not changed. That 5 stays the same. But we have a new numerator of 17. And if we were to follow our same steps with getting an improper fraction to a proper fraction in order to check this, 17 divided by 5, 5 goes into 17 3 times, minus 15 leaves us with 2, so we have 3 and 2/5. So when we're looking at the entire thing, we can check ourselves and see that this is the correct answer. All right, so you're going to do the same thing with these two. Write the decimal answer as a fraction in simplest form. Now, very first, you have a decimal. To get a decimal into a fraction form, the place value is your denominator, and the number behind the decimal is your numerator. We have 5/10. So 5/10 written as a fraction in simplest form. Please pay attention to this. This says simplest form. Don't forget to write your name, and I know you guys are going to be great. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.